Well, look what time it is. That's in the AM, which you can tell because it's clearly perfectly dark outside. And here I am getting ready for work for like the first time in 13 years since I've had to do day shift. And I'll probably be on it all week before I can put a bump in to go back to afternoons, if I really want to go back to afternoons, which I probably will, because after this long I really think I've become a afternoon shift person. I went to bed last night at 9:30, got up at 4:30. I'm like, I don't know if that's what I really want to do from now on, because this is about what time I usually go to bed. I go to bed about 3:30 in the morning, get up about 11. Oh, we shall see. Driving by my old plant right now. It's about 6:05 in the morning. Heading to my new plant, which is about a mile and a half, 2 miles from here. And I'm here. 6:08 a.m. 1 hour and 7 minutes. 59 miles. Let's see what the day has in store, shall we? Well, here we are in a training area up on the 3rd level and above the plant. Kind of, I don't know what I think so far. It's just kind of blah, and I don't know. I'm not so sure about this, but we do what we got to do, right? Heading off to something called tube welding at 11 o'clock. Sounds hot and dirty. Again, we'll see. Let you guys know later. Well, hello everyone. Good news and bad news. Work was kind of sucky. Very hot in there and oily, dirty. It's just the jobs are heavier and harder than I'm used to working. It's going to be tough. And I got put in a team. I got put in a team that actually has good jobs, decent jobs, but it's a rotating 12-hour shift. You work 3 days one week and 4 days the next week, 12 hours per shift, which is kind of working 15 days a month instead of 20, which is kind of nice. And there's lots of opportunity for overtime, I guess, on the days that you're not working. So I guess if you want to make a lot of money, it's good. But at working a 12-hour shift, I'm only going to have like 2 hours at home at night before I have to go to bed to get ready to get up for work again. And that's accounting for like 6.5 to 7 hours of sleep. But I'm going to give it a try for a few weeks, see how it goes. And if I feel like it's not working out, I'm going to put in for a transfer to another department if I can find one that I think I can do. The only positive part is that I have a whole bunch of people underneath me seniority-wise, so if an opening does come up, I'll be more likely to get it. At my last plant, I had 100 people under me. Here at this plant, I have about 1,000 people under me, so that puts me higher up the pecking order to get a better job. But it's going to be an adventure, I tell you. I walked by the one place called Heat Treat today, and it was like shocking. It's kind of a real dark, dingy area, and there's actually fire shooting up out of the top of one of the machines, blowing off the excess oil pressure. I'm like, ah, sort of like something out of Dante's Inferno. And I don't know, it's just kind of depressing and discouraging, but I'm going to stay the course. I'm going to get it done. Hoping for 1 year from now, being out the door on a retirement deal. That's my plan. And heading to the beautiful paradise of Central Florida. We shall see.